Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 16a, in which we will learn the makhraj of ghain. We are learning makhraj using letter poem, and each letter has fatha in it. Let us start. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Tha, da, dha. Ta, da, ta. Za, sa, sa. And la, na, ra. These letters are very important. They will be very helpful, when we learn Tajweed rules, especially like Shamsi or Noon Sakina and so on. From its middle are ja, sha, ya, right? And from its edges are da, ka, and qa. And 6 from the throat, a, ha, and gha and kha. Gha and kha are thick and high. Remember, throat letters are from down up. You see, a, ha, gha, kha. From end of the throat, middle of the throat, upper throat. A, ha, gha, kha. How do you say gha? From the upper part of the throat. Gha, gha. Most of you say it rightly, but the only thing is you don't say it. Most people don't say it like it is thick and high. They say gha. It is not gha. Similarly, agh. It is not agh. So common mistake is don't recite it thin. Don't say gha or agh. It is a thick and high sounding letter. It has isti'la, as they say in terminology of Tajweed. So repeat after me, remembering that it is a high sounding, thick and high sounding letter. So thin is here, thick is here, and thick and high sounding is here. And very thick and high, saza, taza, that is, those are different. So repeat after me 3 times. Agh. Gha, ghi, gho. Gha, ghi, gho. Gha, ghi, gho. Gha, ghi, gho. So you should not say gha. It is gha. Similarly, it is ghan. It is not ghan. Alright, repeat after me. Ghan, ghin, ghun. Ghan, ghin, ghun. Ghan, ghin, ghun. Ghan, ghin, ghun. Let's take words now. Aghna. Don't say aghna. Repeat again. Aghna. Similarly, don't say ghasiq. It is gha. غاسق غشاوة غفرانك That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.